This video is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site myhotfeed.com. myhotfeed.com is a dangerous site. It attacks Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. It tries to trick you into clicking on allow, supposedly to help you continue watching some content. But if you mistakenly click on that allow button, the point is that your browser may be hijacked and you may be actually redirected to some malicious sites. Also, you will start facing a lot of pop-ups attacking your screen. To remove these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions, select Notifications, and so remove this junk site from the list. I also recommend you to research the computer with a Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.